Beneath the arena, you hear thousands of people screaming your name. They do not love you. They are waiting to watch you die. You were not born for glory. You were born where Rome takes more than it gives. Your father owes money. Your family owes grain. Your village owes men. Then, one morning, soldiers arrive before sunrise. No one explains the charge.
No, please, not my son!
No one asks if you are guilty.
He's coming with us!
Rome has decided your body still has value.
No, please!
A traitor lifts your chin, checks your teeth, squeezes your arms. You are not a man here. You are muscle, bone, and resale price. The man who buys you is called a lanista. He smiles like a butcher choosing good meat. He tells you the rules of your new life. You will eat when ordered. You will sleep behind locked doors. You will train until your hands split. And if you refuse, Rome has cheaper ways to kill you.
Move! You recruits into formation now! Fear is for the weak!
The first weapon they give you is not steel. It is wood, heavy enough to humiliate you. Your instructor makes you strike a wooden post again and again. Morning becomes impact.
Again, with more power!
Afternoon becomes bruises.
That training was brutal.
Aye, but we survived.
I need water.
Night becomes pain you are too tired to name.
Harder!
You learn the names of men who may kill you. The Murmillo carries shield and sword. The Retiarius carries net and trident. The Secutor is built to chase him. Every weapon is a question, and every answer is written in blood or applause. Your first fight arrives on a festival morning.
To the games! Nuts for the arena!
Rome dresses death as celebration. Children laugh
Stay
outside the
close,
gates.
dear. Wow!
Inside, you are vomiting behind a helmet. The gate opens.
Faster!
The sound hits first, then the heat, then the knowledge that every seat is a judge. Your opponent is older. He does not hate you. He simply wants to go back to his cell alive.
Let the combat begin!
The signal comes.
Fight!
You move before courage has time to arrive. Your training saves you before your mind does. The crowd roars when you stumble. They roar louder when you stand. For the first time, you understand the bargain.
Citizens!
If you entertain them, they may let you live. If you bore them, your skill may not matter. You survive your first fight. The arena calls it victory. But victory still sleeps behind bars. Months pass. You become stronger. You become famous. And you remain owned. Children chant your name in the streets. Politicians use your blood to buy applause. Your body becomes advertisement. Your fear becomes entertainment. Then comes the fight everyone has been promised.
This one's sharp. Tight enough? Fortuna today.
A veteran champion. A full arena. Your name painted in red. This time, survival is not enough. You must be memorable. The champion attacks like a man who has forgotten how to be afraid. You fight like a man who remembers fear too well.
Yeah! Come on!
The crowd disappears. There is only sand, breath, and the next mistake. He slips first. You do not think. You strike.
Rise, citizens, for the glory
The
of
arena
Rome!
erupts, and for one impossible second, you are not property. You are Rome's favorite illusion. A slave who looks like a hero. A dead man temporarily allowed to breathe. Maybe one day, they will hand you a wooden sword and call it freedom. But until then, every sunrise asks the same question. Will Rome cheer for you today, or bury you before sunset? And if you think the arena was cruel, wait until you see another world where honor is forged from fire, debt, and silence. Click next for your life as a samurai swordsmith.